Hello everyone, it's Carolyn. I have come to show you how to put together June's Freebie. These are staying with this the current theme that I've been working on, which is the 9 fruits of the Spirit. This one's Joy. It's in the freebie. It's a tag, but it has a little hidden spot with the verse. These things have I spoken unto you, that my joy might remain in you, that your joy might be full. And then there's a little tag, and it has the reference on it for the verse that I chose for joy. Okay, and so let me show you how easy this is. Okay, first of all, I'm going to start with this. This is what each paper looks like. Your tag, that's your verse. This is your base. You have 4 circles. Your reference to the verse, whether you're doing joy, peace, or love, and then this mini tag. And then I did back these, but you don't have to. I'm so sorry for all the shadow. I don't know how to get rid of it. Okay, so you start with your base and your circles. And you're just going to take your circles after you cut them out, and you're going to fold them in half. And you can decide, I'll show you, which way you might want them as you're going. Okay, and this one, fold in half, and it will go there. And I think I'll fold this one this way. Because I might want that one there. And this one this way. Okay, let me give those a burnish. And then just so you guys will be able to see better, when I get to this part, I'm going to go ahead and just put ink here. I'm only doing this so that you'll be able to see when I start to glue. I haven't given this no kind of name. It's just a tag with a hidden spot. Okay, so what you do is you just start placing them around. You will glue, like if you want this here, and you want this one here, and this one here, and this one here. So you just decide how you would like them. And then I'm going to start with these, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to use my berry, and then I'm going to glue this one side. And I'm going to line it up with the edge. Okay. And then I think it was, let's see, which ones did I want? Okay. This one I wanted on that side. So we're going to do this one next. Okay. I'll put this one down, and I'm going to line it up with the edge again. Okay, and then we're going to do this one. This is going on this side, and well, that one's going to be upside down now, so let's do it this way. See if this looks okay. Yes, let's do it that way. So then you apply glue again to this piece. And then you put it in between these two and get it to the edge. Okay, these are going to be the ones on the outside, so you just make sure that those fold and there's no hindering. Okay, and then our last one. Again, to the edge. Okay, and then before I do anything else, let me see. Let me make sure everything is going to close, okay? This one seems to be a little catch, but not bad. Okay, and then I'm going to line it up on my mat. Try to get it as straight as I can. And then I'm going to put a circle there. And I've probably gotten out of frame. Put me a little dot there. And I'm going to use my smallest hole punch. And I'm going to punch a hole. And punch a hole. Okay, now let's pray we got kind of close to lining up. Yes, they do fine. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my brads in. These are kind of bright for this paper, but I'll just use it. Okay. Whoops, sorry. I stumbled. That's one. And I'm sorry, my fingers aren't working. I have been canning today, and so they have been slicing and dicing, and they're a little tired. Okay, so there are those. And then what I do is, this is the verse, and I think I messed that up, but it's okay. I think the string will still go through. And so I'm just going to apply glue. And get it within where it looks not too off bad, too off center. There we go. Okay. And I did that wrong. Hold on. Sorry. Let me see. Can I get it up real quick before it dries? These are my sides. So I need it to go this way. Okay, make sure everything is not going to hinder. Seems like I did. Let's start over. Let's put a little more glue, because I don't think it's going to stick. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's see if everything closes. Okay, good. Okay, so then what we do is we take our tag, and I'm just going to apply glue to 3 sides. Here we go. This side, and the bottom, and this side. And stick that down. We could go ahead and tie. I just have some thin twine here. Might give me trouble with this one since I messed this one up. Yeah, it will. It's going to give me trouble. I was going to see if it would come out. Yes, it will. Okay. Let me find another one. Okay. Here we go. Well, I had it. I'm so sorry this is taking long. It's really simple. I just messed that one up. Okay, let me try again. I should have done this first thing this morning instead of after a busy day. Okay, now, much better. Now we can put our string through here. I've already gone 11 minutes. I'm so sorry, you guys. But you probably have the gist of it now. Okay, and then you just tie your bow. Okay, now I can cut that off. Okay, and then what we have is we have our little tag. And so I have this reference to the verse. You can do this a lot of ways. I'm just doing it this way. I think it looks good there in your small tag. And the tag goes behind here, like that. And then for down here, let me just get a little piece of cheesecloth, just to give it some kind of texture. And I would just put it down here. And then you have your title for the fruit of the Spirit, which is love. It's the one we're working on now. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoy these. Thank you so much. I hope you have a blessed weekend. Bye-bye.